What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to use this screen printing set I got from Hobbycraft. First you want to get your screen and you want it this way up. I've already got half of it used, but if the design's small you can do another one. And then you want to get either a picture you printed out or you can just draw your design freehand. Once you've done that, you want to elevate the top of the screen. I'm using the box. You want to draw over it with the ink fluid. This stuff's quite thick, so try not to go too mad with it. Once you're done, you want to leave it to dry, probably for like an hour or so, or you can speed it up with a hairdryer. Next, make sure the screen's still elevated and apply some, like a line of screen block, not too much. And then you want to get your squeegee, put it at like a 45-degree angle and just like gently sort of scrape it along. And if it's worked, your design should show through. And then do that a couple times. You don't really want to leave any gaps around the edges, because when you scrape your paint on it, it will seep through, so you sort of want to cover the whole bit really. And then you want to leave that to dry. Right, once that's dry, you want to rinse off that blue ink. Once it's all rinsed off, there should be no more blue bits. Right, so now that's dried, now we can start mixing the paint. So you need something to mix it in. I've got this little plastic cup and something to mix it with. Got a palette knife. If you're printing onto canvas or paper, you want the printing medium, and you're going to mix that 3 parts acrylic and 1 part printing medium. So we've got to basically use 1/4 of that printed medium. So not a lot really, that'll probably do. Once it's done, put a bit along the top. Do that a couple times. I mean, it's not the best, but it's ideal if you just want to give screen printing a go, and it's not too much money.